Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be making for you sweet and sour seitan meat. Now, seitan meat is a meat gluten that is very versatile. You can prepare this anyhow you like: barbecue, fry, curry, brown stew. Very versatile. So today I'm going to show you guys how to prepare it, the sweet and sour seitan meat. So let's start. For this recipe, you're going to need a fresh pineapple, some sweet peppers, onions, garlic, scallion. To make our sauce, we're going to need some rice vinegar, agave, ketchup, and some soy sauce, as well as your seitan meat or meat gluten. We're going to get the seitan meat in some small strips. Okay, so to cut them, you want to slice them and stuck them together, and then you just cut them. We're gonna season the seitan meat, so we're gonna add some onion powder, garlic powder, white pepper, some salt, a little black pepper as well. I'm just gonna rub in the seasonings in the meat. So we're just gonna fry these and put it aside. Okay, so while the oil is heating, we're going to prepare the scallion. We're gonna fry the seitan meat now. While these are frying, we're gonna go ahead and prepare the pineapple. Okay guys, so I think these are pretty much ready now. So remove from the pots. Okay, so we're gonna peel the pineapple. So you can preserve the skin for like to make juice. Don't throw away anything in the kitchen. What can be saved, you keep it back to make stock, vegetable stock, or to make juice. So we're going to use half of the pineapple in the seitan meat and the next half to juice. So after cutting your pineapple in half, you're going to slice it again and cut them in chunks. So I'm going to juice the pineapple now. Because I didn't have this ahead of time, we're doing it. We're going to make the sauce now. So we're going to add the pineapple juice, so the ketchup, with some rice vinegar, and a little agave. The soy sauce, just a little bit here, guys. Some salt. Okay, so we're gonna saute the garlic and onion and some of the scallion. Adding the sauce to the pot. And if you see that you find that you need it to be a little bit more thicker, you can go ahead and add some cornstarch, just some cold water, and to dissolve it and then add it to the pot. Our sauce is pretty much ready now, so we're going to add the seitan meat, No, I didn't use the cornstarch because the texture of the consistency of the sauce was okay for me. So we can add the sauteed vegetables now. Red peppers and yellow. Guys, I can tell you this smells so amazing. You can see everything is coming together. So we're just gonna leave this to, you know, just cook down for a little, not for too long. There you have it, guys, my sweet and sour Seitan meat. If you try this recipe, let us know, and please feel free to comment below what recipe you'd like us to make next time. Until next time, bye.